Today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about AI implications to consulting. AI is one of those things that I think is the great unknown. Jonas has been doing a lot of work in this area, actually advising firms on AI. I think a lot of folks, their experience with AI right now has been it can write a better sentence. It can bring up a lot of information at your fingertips. How do you kind of characterize AI and how professional services firms are potentially using it?
So on the one hand, it's in the knowledge space because the IP is usually in the heads of the consultants, and with generative AI, I think you can make this information much more accessible and really build IP, intellectual property, because this is actually what is missing in a large language model. In a large language model, you have a lot of general knowledge which is out there in the internet, but what is missing is the domain-specific knowledge about benchmarks, logistics, supply chain, procurement, like very specific knowledge. That is missing. And if professional service firm is able to get this knowledge and build a very unique knowledge, like intellectual property, I think that can in the future become a competitive advantage, and maybe in the future you can offer services like knowledge on demand. But if you think to the transactional parts of consultants that are doing like on a daily basis, task prioritization, content drafting, email replying, maybe sometimes also writing code, this can be highly automated. And what it will mean for consultant companies, I think that they will move stronger in parts of network building, collaboration, staff development, and I think the expert knowledge will become even more important, because when generative AI is producing information, we know that we have hallucinations, and you have to have people that can read through all that produced stuff and judge it. Maybe put their personal ingredients on top and make it from an 80% quality to 100% quality.